What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can get the MASKED Liberator's leather boots in Crimson Desert. Heads up, you must be around chapter 4 of the main story where you acquire the Focus Force Bomb ability before you can proceed with this one. Now these footwear of the MASKED Liberator set offers 18 points in attack, 5 points in defense, a level 1 critical rate, and another level in lightning resistance. If you rely on food buffs very often, its level 1 food effect boost could prove useful, along with a second Abyss gear that gives 1 point in damage reduction. These boots are found on the northernmost part of Delesia, where the waypoint aligns vertically with Delesia's letter L and the horizontal line just sitting above the Golden Plains label. It's just around Drywind Valley, and directly below the Gear Melt Confectionery. This is yet again another enemy controlled area, but you don't need to clear the entire base if you're only after the boots. Just defeat the enemies around this pit, and when there's nobody left to bother you, just glide down that pit, and to the right side while facing the ladder is a shimmering rock wall. Stand close to it, activate focus, then charge up a force palm. When a gold orb appears, aim and release the energy there. The tunnel entrance will open up, and inside is the chest. Loot it and you'll get the boots. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.